Look at the melt. Look at the material. Hey y'all, Simone Nicole back with another fire Amazon wig install. And this unit right here was only $95 freaking dollars. Like a 13 by 6, 24 inches for $95. And look at the lace. Bro, that is literally my scalp. Look. For $95, are you kidding me? Of course I had to bleach and plug the knots, but y'all look at the material. Bomb. And this wig said it was 24 inches, but to me it does appear to be longer than that. This is just a steal deal right here. And y'all know what I'm doing right here is cutting off my ear tabs and getting ready to lay down my lace part of my baby hairs and just cutting it to fit my head. I hate doing this part and I hate wasting lace, but sometimes the lace really do be too big, so you have to cut it to fit around your ear. And right here I'm parting out my baby hairs, and honestly if you don't want baby hairs then you could just skip this step, but y'all know I like baby hairs. I was gonna do baby hairs like right here in the middle, y'all, and like do a whole bunch, but I think I'm just gonna keep it very simple and neat and very, very sleek. And I think we just gotta trust the process like how we always do. And in the end, it's gonna look bomb. So I'm just parting out my baby hairs, y'all, and then getting ready to lay down my lace. Just gonna take a little bit of mousse and brush everything back so that once I put on my band, it's not in the way and it lays properly. Oh my goodness, that is burning so bad. What I can say about the lace on this wig is they did a great job with the hairline, because that looks very natural and it looks like a widow's peak. And all I did was bleach and pluck it a little bit, but that's just how it came. So 10 out of 10 for the shape. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut my baby hairs just to get them out my face. Not too short. You see how good that looks? And I put the band back over it and make sure that these are coming this way. That's giving scalp, bro. Already. So I'm almost done straightening the hair, y'all. I just have this little top piece left and it's looking really, really cute so far. And this is a 24-inch wig, y'all. If my flat iron is not that hot, I don't want it. If my hair is not smoking, then it's not straight enough for me. Y'all see that? That's how hot I need my flat iron every time. And honestly, I need it even hotter than that. So this install is already pretty flat because the way I parted it and blow dried it, but we're definitely gonna go in and hot comb the top here and get this as flat as we can. Let's take this off and see what we're working with. Wow. I already knew that was gonna be bomb when I took it off. That's my scalp, like that's my real hair. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of this lace. Cause you know, if you see my previous installs, once we get out this lace, we're gonna have to melt it again. So let's go ahead and cut this off. This wig looks so freaking good. Y'all. Like, is you kidding me right now? I cut off a little bit more right there than I wanted to, but it's okay. So I'm just cutting my baby hairs right here and making sure they're not too long, and then curling them so I can lay them down. And when I'm working with straight wigs, I find that curling the baby hairs makes them a lot easier to lay down. It really just makes it like minimal effort. I just have to spray a little bit of product on it and it's already like kind of curling around itself, and it has like shape. So this makes it easier for me to lay down. So once we're done curling all the baby hairs, I go in again and spray the lace to get ready to put the band on again, because we have to put the band on multiple times. For one, I'm not using actual lace glue. I'm using lace spray, so I do have to apply the band more times, I think. And yeah, so once I get done laying my baby hairs and everything, I'm just using a little bit of holding spray on my baby hairs. You could use mousse, you could use holding spray, you could use gel. Just kind of depends on the look you're going for and also what you have available. Once I finish laying down my baby hairs, I spray my lace. Well, I kind of sprayed my lace before, and then I spray my lace again after in this coming up clip. And then I put my melting band back on. And how many times is that, y'all? 2 or 3 times I put my melting band on. Honestly, I can't keep up, but between 2 and 3 times you're gonna have to put on your melting band to get the best melt and the best hold. So once my melting band is on, I go in with my Nutrients Slick Wax Stick. Hot comb the top of my hair. I go in sections just to get the flattest, sleekest look possible. And I have my hot comb all the way up to 450. Actually, mine goes to 500, so I have mine up all the way to 500, y'all, because I need it sleek and flat. Y'all see the difference between the hot comb and no hot comb? This is giving silk press, you know. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I just do what works for me, but that right there, that works for me, and that looks like my real hair. Get y'all a hot comb. So that's done. The install is super flat. Like, I love a flat install. It gives silk press, like it gives that girl. Y'all know me, we about to cut this hair. We about to make it look clean, like we just left the hair salon and they gave us a trim. Because that's another thing, I feel like the wigs look like, y'all know how wigs come like frayed at the end and kind of like uneven and like thin at the end and just like thins out. I feel like that looks like a wig, so we're gonna trim this. You know, I'm feeling like we need to trim off a good amount, so I'm gonna go like right there. That's a pretty good amount, y'all. And look how it looks now. So good. That looks so good. Oh, that looks bomb. Same thing to this side. I'm gonna bump these ends just a little bit. Just like that. Oh, it looks so good. And this wig already kind of came naturally with the layers in the front. I didn't cut anything. That's how the wig came. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. This is what it's looking like. And I think I'm ready to take off my band. So let's take off the band and see what it looks like with the band off.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Look at the melt. Look at the material. Keep in mind, this is the lace without any makeup. All I did was put the makeup like right here in the front. Look at the rest. I didn't put any makeup on this part. This could go without any makeup and still look bomb. We didn't even need that. I just really did that to help define the front. All right, y'all, and that's pretty much the end of this install. I'm just adding a little bit of serum to my hair to help with the frizz and to help it look silky and smooth. And y'all, look how good this hair looks. And I can't believe this is 24 inches. Like, honestly, I don't know what kind of rulers they're using over there in China and everything, but like some of these 24-inch wigs look like 30-inch. Some 24-inch wigs look like 20-inch wigs. So, but this one right here, now this, if anything, is true to length. Like, if anything, this is longer than 24 inches. It looks so freaking bomb. And I said I wasn't gonna cut this hair anymore, but I ended up cutting it more. Like, yeah, I just love me some layers. I love me some layers, and I love me a blunt cut wig. And look how good it looks. And I just can't believe this is a 13x6 24-inch wig for $95. Like, this is a true to length wig, y'all. Look how long it is. And y'all, I'm 5'7". Like, I'm not short, I'm 5'7". And look how long this wig is on me. So if you're shorter than me, you got yourself a 30-inch wig for $95. Because if it's this long on me and I'm 5'7", it's gonna be down to y'all. But thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. And I love y'all so much. Bye.